Ito po yung lumabas sa CT scan ninyo, Miss Velma. And this one concerns us po.
Ano ho yan, Doc?
Tumor located here. Basing it on the density and borders, it's likely to be a frontal lobe tumor in your brain.
May tumor ako sa utak, Doc.
This tumor, Miss Velma, could be the root cause of your symptoms. Dahil pinupush niya yung tissues na nakapaligid sa kanya. The location is critical. Dahil ang frontal lobe ang nagkocontrol ng judgment, behavior, memory, motor functions natin. We will schedule further imaging para mas malinaw yung boundaries ng tumor. After that, we can determine whether the safest approach will be the medication, surgical, or...
Doc, ooperahan ho ako.
That is our long-term solution, Miss Velma. It's called surgical resection. And then, pag natanggal na natin yung tumor, we will send it to histopathology para malaman kung benign or malignant. Doon depende ang next steps natin.
How serious the operation?
We have advanced equipment, complete monitoring, and an experienced neurosurgical team. Gagawin namin ang lahat to save Miss Velma's life. Pero, kailangan niyong maintindihan that there is no zero risk brain operation.
Velma. Excuse me. Velma!